We've been struggling to find a water filtration system to replace what we're currently using, but I think we found the perfect fit.
And today we're going to show you what filtration system won us over. And the winner is Blue Technology MR3.
Oh, look how pretty this bad boy is.
Yeah.
So what we love most about this is it is a self-contained inline filtration system. As you can see, it has 3 filters, and this is going to take you all the way down to 0.2 microns. And the great thing about this is there is still a great flow rate. So you're still going to get a high flow rate with a high filtration rate with this system.
Yeah, and what that means is you're still going to get your 3 gallons per minute that you're used to. The really nice thing about it is, as Stacy mentioned, it's compact. I mean, look at how tall this thing is. It's 15 by 8, and the filters are even smaller.
So we're going to break this all down for you and show you exactly what it can do for you, and then show you how fast you can connect it to your RV.
You're going to be really surprised at that. I'm in love with the connections.
Let's start with the housing unit first, which was one of the things that won us over. This is made out of 304 stainless steel, except for the filters themselves.
Yeah, and you're saying, ooh, sounds pretty cool, 304 stainless steel. I said the same thing. But what that means is you're getting extremely clean water rolling through this.
The stainless steel resists corrosion,
Yep.
and it has very low nickel content, which makes this a plus for drinking water. This is the best option for running your water through it, especially if your filters are sitting outside in the heat.
Right. We will start out with it outside, so it's perfect for that as far as being in the elements. That's the other thing we're looking for, something that can withstand the harsh Texas heat. The footprint with the Blue Technology MR3 is really cool. It's 15 by 8 with 5-inch filters. That is compact.
And the best thing about these filters is, of course, they're going to take up half the space of our old filters.
Yeah.
You can see here the difference. And the great thing about this technology, which was not available just a couple of years ago, is the flow rate for this one is equal to the flow rate of this one. So now this compact, streamlined filter system will fit in our RV while we're traveling down the road, where these, which were much bulkier, much bigger, we couldn't actually fit in our basement.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. This filter is taller than the whole filtration system. The design and time that they put into this for RVers, so that, because space is a premium, this is ideal.
So let's talk about the 3 filters you're going to get with this system. Your first filter, which I call a pre-filter or a sediment filter, they're calling a longevity filter. This filter is 20 microns, and really its job is to pull out sand, big particles, dirt, and basically to prevent these from clogging every 3 days. Because this is going to pull out the big things.
Right, and as you know, we had problems with our other filter that acted just like this, where it kept breaking and cracking on us. This one will not.
The second filter in the system is going to be the Tasty filter, and it is just for that. It is a charcoal coconut-based filter, and it's going to take out chlorine and other chemicals that will make your water taste much better.
Now, it will not make it taste like a coconut drink on the beach. It's
no pina coladas?
No, it's not going to make it taste like that, but it is going to make it taste really good.
All right, your final filter. This is the Mac Daddy. This is the one doing the big jobs.
Yeah.
This is a 0.2 micron filter, and this is what makes
wait. Say that again louder for the people in the back.
It is a 0.2 micron filter. So this is going to make sure to pull out all those viruses, bacteria, lead, iron, E. coli, Legionella, Giardia, and so much more. And that's the stuff in our water that really makes us sick. So this is the heavy hitter of the 3.
And again, it's all going to keep the same high flow rate, the 3 gallons per minute, through these 3 filters.
Now, before we move forward, let's stop for a minute and talk about microns and what that really means. A micron is the measurement that is used that talks about how good the filtration system is per filter. Now, if you have one of these or one of these currently hooked up to your RV, and most of these are found at Walmart, they're really inexpensive, and you can pretty much find them anywhere throughout the campground. These guys aren't doing much for you.
They are not.
These really are a pre-filter or a sediment filter. It's not that they don't do anything for you. They do pull out all the big particles. Most of them are 20 microns. And this one, as you can see, we just talked about it. This is 0.2 microns, which means it is 100 times better than those blue Camco water filters that you see on Amazon and at Walmart.
100 times better.
I mean, really, these filters, you're going to get what you paid for. If you buy the inexpensive ones with higher microns, you're not really going to get the benefit of removing the items in the water that can make you sick. So just kind of be aware of that. If you currently have water filters in your RV right now and you're not sure what their microns are, go check it out and see how good your filtration is. If you're at 20 or even at 5, it will not pull out all the viruses and particles that you really need it to pull out to stay safe with your water.
And we made those mistakes when we first started RVing.
Yeah.
We were told, you know, we read everything that said you need to have a water filter on your incoming water. So we did. We just thought the blue one, like everybody has.
Everybody had them, so they must be good.
Yeah, so we had that on there until we started doing our homework and starting digging deeper. All right, now let's talk about connecting this to the system. What we have here is a stainless steel braided hose with quick connects, also stainless steel. What I love about it, again, done. I'm connected. And this will stop all the annoying leaks that I'm always fighting with on my current system. Now, I do use quick connects, as you know, but they're not as Mac Daddy as these stainless steel ones here, I got to tell you.
These are huge. They're no joke, and they're heavy. Like, these are weighted.
I'm a cheapskate. I'm always trying to save a buck or two, so I bought things that I thought would work and were inexpensive. Boy, was I wrong. After comparing them to these, I mean, these are heavy. They've got some weight to them.
The other quick connects that Phil had, he had plastic and metal ones, and he was always replacing them about every 3 to 6 months.
Yep.
These are made of that same 304 stainless steel, so this is quality, and it's going to last for a long time.
Yeah, and I like the again, compact portability of these hoses. They're not super fat. They coil up really nice.
So this system has a rated drinking water pressure regulator.
Regulator. That's a tongue twister.
That we have switched out our old one for. And of course, this one also has that awesome quick connect.
Boom.
This water pressure regulator is lead-free brass. Just so you know, that took like 12 times for me to say.
She's
and it
completely
is
fit the words.
100% rated for drinking water, so there is no risk of us contaminating our drinking water with any leaching from our regulator. Check back on your Amazon cart, go to your pressure regulator, see if it's rated for drinking water. If not, switch it out for a different one, even if it's not this one, so you know you're safe. As you guys may know, we have been using the on-the-go water softener, and it has worked great. We haven't had any problems with it, but we decided to go ahead and switch out to the stainless steel that Mobile Must Have offers because, well, with all the stuff coming out with all the plastics and water going through plastics and the heat when we heat up the plastic, all the chemicals leaching, I don't know. I don't know what's going to come down in another 5 or 10 years because all the water softeners usually for RVs are either sitting outside in the heat or in a bay that's exposed to the temperatures outside. So just as our own precaution, and I am not a plastics expert by any means, just as our own precaution, we decided to go ahead and keep them all the same and go ahead and switch our water softener to the same 304 stainless steel.
Yep.
Because I'm never going to be worried about any kind of plastic get into my drinking water with the heat.
Yeah, I mean, great point. And it's, again, we didn't know what we didn't know, so we're still learning as we go. But the great thing about this water softener is it's going to make Stacy's hair nice and soft like it is now.
So it makes me very happy.
Okay,
that's not the only good thing.
Right, but it is compact. It has the quick connects on it, and it still takes regular table salt to regenerate. And about every 3 months or so is when you'll need to replace it. Very nice, very compact. It's shiny. I like things shiny, and it all flows.
For those of you who don't know what a water softener does, this will remove minerals from the water, and that includes calcium and magnesium and what am I leaving out?
Iron and lead.
Yes. So it will help remove those from the water. Not only does it help your hair, it also enables you to use less detergent when you're doing your laundry. It helps the laundry rinse better, and it removes those nasty water spots. So even though we don't have a dishwasher, it does help rinsing the dishes whenever Phil does them.
Yeah, every time I do them, actually.
One of the big things we're going to be doing over the next 3 to 6 months is figuring out if we're going to go through these 5-inch filters faster than we would these 10-inch filters. So we're really going to see how many gallons actually come through it and if we're flipping these faster than we flip these.
All right, we're going to actually add a gallon meter or water meter on so we know exactly what's coming in.
Yeah, we do move around a lot, so our water really varies. It's not very consistent. We'll go everywhere from city water to well water, and sometimes when we're in Texas, I think that's our worst water because it's so full of minerals. So it is going to be varied as for what kind of water we're going to get running through here, but We will let you guys know how often we're replacing these as soon as we have the numbers for you.
I'm going to show you how fast it is to connect this system. I'm attaching the Y gate to the campground spigot, and I love using the Y gate because it allows me to add another hose without taking off my main hose. So my pressure regulator is attached. That will stay on here. I'll never take that off. Next, I'm going to hook up the 25-foot water hose connection to the pressure regulator. Next is the other end of the water hose. It goes in on the longevity side of your water filter, and it's going to flow this way from longevity, tasty, to the 0.02 micron. Next, I'm going to connect the YMRV filtration system to the water softener. Next, I'm going to connect the hose from the water softener to Ruby. And as a reminder, on the water softener, there's a red arrow letting you know which side the water comes into, and then the opposite side is where it goes out into your RV.
This is not a sponsor video, but Mobile Must Have did send us the system for free, and I am really glad they did. We've been affiliates with them for quite a while, so we do have a 5% off coupon code if any of these are something that you're looking for.
Yeah, it's a great value for what you're getting, that's for sure. And they have different bundles to fit your rig and your lifestyle as well. So when you visit mobilemustHave.com, you can check out all the different packages and pieces that you can choose from.
Yeah, you can get individual, just the filter itself. You can get a bundle with the hoses or just the hoses too, because those are pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So you can look around and really get what you need. You may already have a perfect water softener for you and you just need the filters.
Right.
I do want to let you guys know that the guys over at Mobile Must Have been testing it and using this for over 18 months. So they assure us that they've been using it with their family, of course, and they've gone back to Blue Technology and made tweaks and changes, and I'm telling you what, this is a fantastic system, and we can't wait to give you a full report after using it for 6 months. So we would really love to hear from you and find out what system you're using for your water filtration. There are a ton of options out there, and I know plenty of you guys are happy with the system that you currently have.
Right.
But if you could put it in the comments what you're using and what you're filtering down to, what micron, that's really going to help everyone else get other options so they can do a comparison to figure out which system is going to be best for them.
That's right. Again, trust but verify.
Yeah, always do your homework. All right, guys, I guess that's it for this video. It's time. I'm a little thirsty. I might need some water.
Exactly right. We hope this was informative and it helps you make an informed decision on your filtration system.
All right, guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully one day we'll see you on the road. Water pressure regulator. Say that fast.
Yeah.
This pressure regulator. I don't know why I can't say that. I make it like one word. Is lead-free bass. It's too many R's. There's too many R's.
Take 78.